morning, boys and girls. What's going on? Out here, Bailey, Colorado, 285 West, heading out to Webster Pass for the day. Might hit Argentine, might go up through Santa Fe Peak, not really sure. Not sure if we're gonna have enough time, but we're out here, me and my homie with the 4Runner, and should be a good day. Stay tuned. Process has begun. Check it out. He's got the Morphlate system over there. Now see, I like these guys. I set them to what tire pressure I want, plug them in, and about done in 30 seconds.
Pretty cool. The thing comes right out of the ground. Let's go.
You know what? It is at this point that I am going to shift into 4-low. All right. Yep. That's pretty much 45-degree angle straight down. So we're gonna give the homie a spot here. There you go, right there. Straight through. Yep, you got it. Around that corner. three trucks starting to come down. So if you got a wide spot, you better find it. Yep, here they come. So you may be wondering why you just posted up. It's because we got a whole crew up there coming down, and there's not too many other places to pass. So keep your eyes uphill, see who's coming down, and if you find a nice little spot to pull off and make it easy for other people to pass you, go for it. We're only here for a minute, and it's gorgeous. Like, who's complaining, really?
Not taking the Lunchable was a good choice. I ate one and threw it away. It sucks.
Yep.
I got some dope chicken though we can grill.
Ooh, you got dope chicken.
Dope chicken.
Check us out, backside of Webster Pass. That's Red Cone over there. That's the peak. All the way up there. You can see a couple heads, a couple people making their descent. It's only sketchy when you start to lean to one side, especially when that one side is all the way down there. Just trying to keep her square, trying to keep that nose pointed uphill, make it up and down in one piece. Webster, and Cohen. Out here. So about how long do you think it would take to walk to the peak of there? I say 25 minutes, if that, dude. If that. I think you're up there in 10. I think you scramble that in 10 minutes, dude. You don't think so?
I'm good on that, actually. I'm not prepared to do that right now. Straight up. I'm kind of glad we didn't now that I see that descent again. Waypoint 4, we're going to make our way all the way to here, start of Santa Fe Peak.
So we're at Webster Pass right now.
We're right here, Waypoint 4, this is where Red Cone comes down, this is where we meet.
Okay.
So we just came up, all that nonsense.
Yep.
Now we got to go down. Looks like we're going down for a while.
And then
back
kind
up.
of a straight shot from, what's that, 3 to 2?
Yeah, all the way to 1. We ran it backwards. This is like this way for Webster, but then we got to go to the other page for Santa Fe. We'll do that when we get there.
All right, let's boogie. All right, so hit the peak of Webster Pass, sort of the halfway point down after Red Cone. Heading over to Santa Fe now, but I guess we got to go downhill first. And as I'm looking downhill, I got a side-by-side that we're going to have to figure this out. So stay tuned. do something about that shiny forehead.
It's not the hallway.
Yeah.
Something like that. This one or this one? Left.
Left. It's to the left. All right, so we have come to the bottom of Webster Pass. We are now on some kind of access road. Yeah, man, we're gonna keep trucking, head on over to Santa Fe, I guess, and see what happens from there. Stay tuned.
I don't know if my car map is right. According to my car map, there's only 5 more switch racks. Right?
Top of Santa Fe. Made it. Gorgeous.
Oh, nothing like hot meat, top of the mountain.
We're at the top of Santa Fe Peak right now. Over that way is Silverthorne. Over down that way is Breck. That means A Basin is probably somewhere over on the other side of those mountains. And that little hump right there, that's actually Gray's Peak, apparently. Not bad. Time to get on out of here. back to the bottom. Aaron back up. This guy's about done. Head on over to the other side, get the other two done, and we'll head on home. Those of you wondering, we're still using the ARB in the box. It's not bad, man. I mean, only 33-inch tires. Takes maybe, I don't know, 3.5 minutes per tire to go from about 15 back up to 35. So, I don't know. I'm not a mathematician, but like 15 minutes. It's okay. Just hooks up to the positive and negative inside your battery terminal and you are all set. Yeah, man, I'm just really excited to have the truck back. Got in an accident beginning of the summer and I just got this thing back 2 days ago. So I'm excited that we could get some dirt on it sooner rather than later. All right, boys and girls, I think that about does it for today. Whoa, that's a guy with a big trailer. Stay on your side of the road, huh? But yeah, man, great day. Looks like the sun's coming back out. It's gonna be a nice drive home, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. So until next time, we out here.
Oh, nothing like hot meat, top of the mountain.